Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of Hana, an AI product developed by Hanabi Technologies. Here we'll be showing you few more daily work-life use case examples of Hana in Google Workspace. So before we get started, I hope you are subscribed to our channel so that you always stay updated. Let's begin. We will have our first example where we can see now Archer has triggered a meet command where he asked Hannah that what was discussed in this meet, and he provided the meeting details, all the link, all the information of the meeting, and then triggered a slash meet command, which is one of our command slash command. And then quickly Hannah gave him a very good answer, very good reply. Like she segregated all the information, like what things were discussed, what was the initial discussion, what was the pricing calculation, plan adjustment, marketing outreach, development cost and break-even analysis, future directions, action items, dev metadata. So everything that was discussed was very well segregated by Hannah so that the now archer could easily understand what was going on in the meeting. And I think this took very little time for Hannah to get all the information and give it to now archer. So here you can see how you can save your time and easier work and get things done quickly. Also then Hannah again triggered the slash meet command and asked Hannah to list down all the conclusions and the final decisions made, and also to rate the contribution quality of contribution by every participant. So Hannah again segregated the information and gave the exact information that was asked, the conclusions and the decisions regarding pricing, regarding cost, regarding marketing, regarding development cost, future direction, action items, and many more other topics like unique idea, participant ratings, and all. And also she gave a participant rating as it was asked by now Archer, and she rated everyone who was there in the meet. So I think this is a very good use case of Hannah, like how well she can help you to rate every member of your team in the video call, like how they are performing, what they're saying. So even if you are absent on, like for example, if you couldn't attend some important call because of some other work, you can easily ask Hannah to tell what was discussed in the meet by giving all the meeting details, and information will be in front of you within minutes, within seconds. This was the first example. Then we will move to a second example where again now Archer has triggered a report groups command where it's on 21st of June. He wanted to recall like what was being done on 11th and 12th June to understand why they have their spike in database DB data in Google Analytics. So he asked Hannah by triggering a reports group command what was being done on 11th and 12th June by the tech team. So she very well gave all the information that what was done around 11th and 12th of June, like what Vishal Soni done, what Santosh Kumar done, what Deep Makadia done, what Vishal Soni, now Archer, everyone did on 11th and 12th, so that they could understand what was done on those days and why was there why was there a lot of spikes in the database data in Google Analytics. And then further they had their own discussion like what was the task done and why they got these spikes. So I think this is also a very good use case as an example. So now I think you can understand how you can make use of Hannah in your daily work life, right? So now let's move on to our next example where a KT session, knowledge transfer session, was given on Google Meet by Vishal Soni on 25th of June. So here now Archer triggered a meet command slash meet command and asked Hannah like create a talk out of the KT session that Vishal Soni gave to be added to Notion for everyone's review. So Hannah within seconds gave the complete information about the meet, about the knowledge transfer session that was given on the Google Task Manager, Tag Manager, and Google Analytics. And here she gave the overview of the meeting of the session, and also what was discussed by Vishal Soni, the introduction of user interaction tracking methods, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, variable triggers, tag in GTM, practical examples, and many more. So every information from the knowledge transfer session was very well given in the Hana's given by the Hana. She segregated complete information and gave it in a very clean way to get to understand, so that now our child could understand it very well. So this way it can help you when you wanna interview any new person and you are not able to attend the meet, so you can tell any other employee of your company to just take the meet, and later I will see what was discussed and how was the session. So this way Hana will help you very well in these types of work. So this one of the example of that. And then further again, now Archer has triggered /meet command to and ask Hana to read to Vishal Soni as a software engineer. So here Hana very well rated Vishal Soni in every category, like on how was his communication skill, how was his practical implementation, how was his technical knowledge. So this way you can get the complete information about the person whom you just interviewed, and this will very well help you to select the right candidate for your work. So this was the third example, and now we will move on to our last and fourth example, where now Archer has asked Hana by triggering a /calendar command that what happened today in the fast cut meet. Give the information on the fast cut meet that happened today, and she gave all the information, like what was the title of that demo, what was the description, what was the time for that meet, what was the start time and time link, everything she gave. And then now Archer further asked Hana by triggering a /meet command, like create a plan of action for Pranik Ayerkar for the fast cut promo video that was discussed in the meet. So she created, within seconds she created a very good plan of action for the promo video, like what should be the video length, content focus, script, introduction, visuals, audio, format, integration, reviews. So all this information she got from what was discussed in the video, and she very well gave all the plan of action to Pranik Ayerkar so that he could execute the task very well. So I think these were a few more examples of daily work life use case of Hana, and I think now you can even more relate it to your work and understand how Hana can help you in your daily work life. So I hope you sign up with a product soon, and we see you on the other side. Till then, take care. Thank you.